In this video, I will share with you 12 passive income ideas. These passive income ideas have the potential of making you over $30,000 a month and could make you rich. If you're serious about building wealth, achieving financial independence, or simply generating multiple income streams, you must understand where the money is flowing in today's economy. The most successful entrepreneurs and investors don't rely on one source of income. They diversify intelligently across digital, physical, and financial assets. And here you will learn of 12 passive income ideas, which many are keeping a secret. But I will share them with you and explain how they work. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through. That's how I get compensated for laboring to put together and bring you this valuable information. Thank you very much for your kind support. Now let's continue. This guide will walk you through 12 proven paths that dominate wealth building today. We'll explore each category: passive income, business, investment, housing, and products, breaking down exactly how each works and why it deserves your attention. 1. Amazon, selling products on the world's largest marketplace. Amazon is a global retail powerhouse. By listing products on Amazon's marketplace, you get access to millions of potential buyers without needing your own website. Whether you're selling private label products, wholesale items, or handmade goods, Amazon offers built-in infrastructure, customer traffic, trust, and payment systems. The key is finding a profitable niche with strong demand and manageable competition. Pro tip: tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout can help identify winning products. 2. FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Let Amazon handle logistics. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, is a game changer. Here's how it works. You ship your products in bulk to Amazon's fulfillment centers. From there, Amazon takes care of storage, shipping, customer service, and returns. This transforms your business into a semi-passive income machine, allowing you to focus on marketing, research, and growth, not shipping boxes. Why it matters: FBA sellers often scale faster than self-fulfillment models due to Amazon Prime eligibility and higher visibility. 3. Apple, invest or innovate. Apple offers 2 strategic wealth paths. Buy Apple stock, a blue-chip investment with decades of growth and a healthy dividend. Create apps for the App Store. If you have technical or entrepreneurial skills, the App Store is a massive digital real estate opportunity. From finance apps to fitness trackers, developers have earned billions of dollars from Apple's ecosystem. Authority insight: Apple's market share and ecosystem loyalty make it a strategic tech investment in both capital and innovation. Investment: grow your money while you sleep. Investment is the engine that turns income into lasting wealth. Whether through traditional markets or commodities, smart investors think long-term and capitalize on asset appreciation, dividends, or inflation hedges. 4. Oil, a commodity with cyclical wealth potential. Investing in oil can be done through stocks of oil companies, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or direct commodities. Oil remains a critical global resource, and price movements often reflect geopolitical tensions and economic cycles. Risk versus reward: volatility is high, but so is potential for outsized gains in boom periods. 5. Gold, the timeless store of value. Gold has been the go-to asset during times of uncertainty for centuries. It's not just a metal, it's a psychological safe haven and a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. You can invest in physical gold, ETFs like GLD, or even through gold mining companies. Insight: every serious investor holds some gold as part of a balanced and resilient portfolio. 6. Stocks: ownership in the world's biggest companies. The stock market remains the foundation of modern investing. Whether you're trading individual equities, index funds like the S&P 500, or growth stocks, the potential for compound returns is unmatched. Over time, well-chosen stocks build generational wealth. Authority perspective: the earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small monthly investments can snowball. Housing: real estate as a wealth anchor. Housing is both a basic human need and a strategic wealth-building tool. Real estate offers appreciation, passive income, and tax advantages. It's no surprise that the vast majority of millionaires hold significant real estate assets. 7. Renting: cash flow from tenants. Owning rental property means earning money every month from tenants. Whether it's single-family homes, multifamily units, or vacation rentals, rent checks can create predictable passive income. Over time, properties also appreciate, and you benefit from tax deductions, leverage, and equity growth. Pro insight: use property managers if you want to scale without handling maintenance or tenants yourself. 8. Reselling: house flipping for profit. This strategy involves buying undervalued or distressed homes, improving them, and reselling for a profit. When done right, it offers high returns in short time frames. Success requires market knowledge, contractor management, and access to capital, but the payoff can be significant. Authority note: this isn't HGTV. Run the numbers like a business, not an emotional project. 9. ETFs: real estate investing without the headaches. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, and real estate ETFs allow you to invest in property portfolios without owning or managing any physical buildings. These instruments pay out dividends and reflect the overall value of commercial or residential real estate sectors. Perfect for hands-off investors who still want real estate exposure. Expert tip: look for ETFs with strong management, low fees, and diverse property types. Products: turn your knowledge into digital assets. In the digital age, your ideas can become assets. Once created, digital products can be sold infinitely with near zero cost, offering unmatched leverage. 10. Ebooks: monetize your knowledge. If you have expertise in a topic, you can write an ebook and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or your own site. Ebooks require upfront work, but then generate long-term passive income. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or guides, if it solves a problem, it can sell. Real talk, quality writing, formatting, and a compelling title make all the difference. 11. Podcast: build authority and monetize your voice. Podcasts are exploding in popularity. By building a loyal audience, you can earn through sponsorships, listener donations, affiliate marketing, and eventually product sales or consulting. All you need is a microphone, a message, and consistency. Monetization tip: focus on a niche audience first. Authority and depth mass appeal. 12. Online courses: teach once, earn forever. Online education is a multi-billion-dollar industry. If you can teach a skill, from fitness to finance to photography, You can create a course and sell it on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or your own site. Courses scale beautifully. Create once, sell forever. Combine with email marketing and a personal brand for maximum results. Elite strategy. Add community access, like a private group or Discord, to increase course value and recurring revenue. Final thought. Wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of intentional, diversified actions across strategic pillars: business, investing, real estate, and digital products. The tools are at your fingertips. The platforms are open, and the audience is global. Now the question is, which of these will you master first? Turn your income streams into rivers. Turn your knowledge into assets. And turn your vision into wealth. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.